Good afternoon, everybody. Today's Wednesday. We got like 2 inches of rain, so everything is wet. But we're back at the sawmill here. I want to finish these 1x6s. I got 2 cans up on the mill. I'm throwing them right in the back of the truck here. We'll deliver these tomorrow morning. So yeah, let's see if we can get some sawing done. I never did put a battery in this. This is my HM130 Max. So we just pull start it by hand. I also don't have my microphone today. I'm using a Ripper 37. This one is actually, this is one of my hardwood blades. This is 7 degree. You can kind of see the kerf there compared to my finger. The original Woodland Mills blades, and I suppose Lennox and some of them other blades, they got a little less saw kerf than these. But I'll switch this back over. I was cutting oak, and I just left this blade in there to finish up this little job. There, made quick work of that. So this mill, I got enough frame here. I made this so I could cut 24 footers. But what I'm going to do is, why I have this on a 30-foot frame is, for one, I have a toolbox underneath here. I got these all screwed together. This is also a platform to stand on to put gas in and such. I got a step up at the shop I'm going to weld on here, but I'm not going to weld it on this side for sure. I'm going to weld one on the other side for sure. But anyway, I can just get some angle iron and we'll fab up off of the top of this, and we'll put I'll probably just bolt it on here, and then we'll make a step up here where the hitch is going to go. The hitch will be removable, so will that piece. But then I can put the carriage back here, and then I'll be able to cut from this bunk that way 24 foot. So this is just an old white pine log that's been laying out in the weeds for a couple of years. It was some fall down stuff. They were cutting firewood on a landing. And well, you can see that with the right tension and stuff, this stuff looks pretty good. Got some wormholes in it on the outer stuff for shutters and stuff. It'll be fine. It looks pretty cool. This is some of the flitches that we'll edge these later. I just want to get some sawing done today because we're going to be gone the next few days, and hopefully I'll get a video of that. We're going down to the pre-30s power school down there in Nokomis, Illinois. So that'll be pretty neat. We'll get around to that this summer. I got back there, that little garden shed's full of engines, and there's a couple of tractors in there, and really kind of enjoy that old stuff. But anyway, that's about it for today. Oh, there's another helper right there.